Hello, Google developer. Welcome to adsgpt.it. adsgpt is a platform that centralizes and analyzes digital marketing performance by integrating advertising and organic data from multiple platforms. To access the platform, the user first logs into adsgpt. Once authenticated, the user navigates to the Google section of the platform where they can choose to connect their Google Ads account. At this stage, adsgpt requests the Google Ads permissions, which have already been approved, through OAuth authentication in order to display and analyze advertising campaign performance directly within the dashboard. Afterward, the user may also choose to connect their Google Analytics 4 account. At this point, the official Google Analytics OAuth consent screen is displayed, where adsgpt requests read-only permissions only, which are required to analyze website traffic and user behavior data. As shown on this screen, adsgpt requests authorization to view and download your Google Analytics data, view report data, including all dimensions and metrics related to your website or app. Understand how your website or app data is organized, processed, and integrated with other Google products. These permissions allow adsgpt to access aggregated and non-personal data only through the official Google Analytics Data API in strictly read-only mode. The platform does not modify, configure, or manage Google Analytics properties in any way, and it does not access personal, sensitive, or user-identifiable user data. The goal of this integration is to complement Google Analytics data with advertising metrics from Google Ads, allowing users to analyze campaign performance and website user behavior in a unified way. Access to Google Analytics data is always explicitly authorized by the user via OAuth and can be revoked at any time through the user's Google account settings.